Dear student, see problem set first, and in this problem set question number 1 and 2 we have completed in our last video. If you want to see that question again, then you see that video again, and in this session or in this video we see question number 3 and question number 4. So first important thing, that reading of example. So read example carefully and find out two things that you have to consider, A and B, and then what is given. You know, the total is given, that is union. And if both word is used, that time we take that intersection. So first we read this example and then write all the information from this example. So say out of 100% in a group, then 72 persons speak English. So first thing, that is persons speak English, and 43 persons speak French. Then each one out of 100 person speak at least one language. So here 100 is not a universal set, because here given each one out of 100 persons speak at least one language. So we take this as a union. Then how many speak only English? How many speak only French? And how many of them speak English and French both? So here both word is used, means you have to find intersection. First we find the intersection, and then the number of persons speak English and number of persons speak French only. So see the steps. First we consider, let A be the set of persons who speak English, and B be the set of persons who speak French. Then C, NA means number of persons who speak English language. So this number is given 72. So we write here 72. Then NB means number of persons who speak French. So 43 is given. So write here 43. And total number of persons in a group that know at least one language. Therefore it is A union B, that is 100. So first find A intersection B, means how many persons know both the languages. So see here it is given how many of them speak English and French both. So for this write the formula. You know formula for A union B, means number of element in A union B or number of element in A intersection B, both are same. So here number of element in A intersection B is to find. So we write formula for this. Say number of element in A intersection B, that is NA plus NB minus NA union B. So put all the given value. So this is 72 plus NB. NB is 43. So 43 and both means this union, that is 100. So sum is 115 minus 100. So number of element in A intersection B, that is 50. Means 15 persons are know both the languages or speak English as well as French. But question is, how many speak only English? So what we can do? So see, number of person who speak English, that is 72. But in this 72, 15 persons know this French also, means speak French also. So we subtract this 15 from 72, that gives the number of persons who speak only English. Similarly, total number of persons who speak French, that is 43. But in this 43, 15 students who know both the languages. So again we subtract 15 from this 43, that gives the person who speak French only. So see, number of persons who speak English only, that is N A minus N A intersection B. So see its value, that is 72 minus this 15. So 12 minus 5, that is 7, and 6 minus 1, that is 5. So 57 persons who speak English only. Similarly, number of persons who speak French only, that is NB minus NA intersection B. So 43 minus 15. So 13 minus 5, that is 8, and 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 28% who speak only French. Let's see this example by Venn diagram. Venn diagram is not necessary in the exam, but see here, this is inversal, but 100 is not a inversal, but we write here inversal. And this is set A, and this is set B. Then here total number of this set, that is 72, and here number of B means 43, and total union is given A union B, that is 100. So what is this part? This part is A intersection B by using formula. So you know this A intersection B is 15. So this part is 15. So this related part is number of person or person who speak only English. So this part is total number of person is 72 and both is 15. So when you subtract this part, means 72 minus 15, that is 57, and here 43 minus 15, that gives 13 minus this 5, 8, and this 2, means 28%. That speak only French. So see for the example, write down in your notebook and make a notes. Student, see question number 4. Here reading is important, so read this example carefully and find out the given things, and two things that you have to consider, A and B. So read this example. 70 trees were planted by Parth and 90 trees were planted by Pragya on the occasion of tree plantation week. Out of these, 25 trees were planted by both, means intersection. So both of them together. Then how many trees were planted by Parth and Pragya? So here two things, that is tree planted by first person, that is Parth, and tree planted by Pragya. So let's see its steps. So first we consider, let A be the set of trees planted by Parth, and B be the set of trees planted by Pragya. Then write down the given. So you know trees planted by Parth, that is 70. So NA, that is 70. Then NB means trees planted by Pragya is 90. And both means A intersection B, that is 25. So we write here 25. Question is to find the union, means trees planted by Parth or means union. So Parth or Pragya. So A union B is to question mark. So you know this type of example how to solve. First write the formula. N A union B equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. So NA, that is 70 and this value is 90 minus 25. So 160 minus 25, that is NA union B. So 10 minus this 5, 5. Then 5 minus 2, 3 and 1. So answer is 135 trees were planted by Parth or Pragya.